Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to merge two family trees on Ancestry.com so you can combine your research and avoid duplicate entries. First of all, log in and open the trees. First, log in into Ancestry.com and go to the trees from the menu. Make sure your device is connected to the internet and open the application Ancestry, or you can download it from the App Store or Play Store, or you can use the browser and go there Ancestry.com, type there Ancestry.com and open it. Then open the tree you want to keep as your main tree. First of all, this is the tree section. As you can see here, this is your profile. Now you can add your family, add mother, add father. Now add a second tree. Next, open the second tree that you want to merge. Review it carefully and make sure you want which individual overlap between the two trees. You can simply click here, and like this also you can see. You can also sort by the name. Then merge individuals. Go to the person in your main tree that exists in the second tree. Click merge and select matching individual from the other tree. Ancestry will show conflicting details. Choose which info to keep. Then confirm and repeat. Confirm each merge. Repeat this process for all matching individuals. So this way your trees are combined without losing the data. And that's it, you have successfully merged ancestry trees. Like, subscribe and hit the bell for more genealogy tips, and I'll see you in the next one.